So HubSpot free version has many capabilities, but it also has many limitations. Let's look at in this video exactly how to use HubSpot free version, and also at the same time look at the limitations that HubSpot version has. At the end of the video, I will give you one tip which I've been giving to my clients, and I've been implementing it for them to make the free HubSpot more powerful. So let's start. My name is Chandan Kamal Sharma, and I've been doing HubSpot implementation for quite some time now, and I am a registered partner with Salesforce as well as HubSpot, and been doing a lot of marketing automation, sales and service automation for various companies. Let's see how the free version helps you and what are the limitations. So you can have up to 1 million contacts in HubSpot free CRM, which also means you can have 1 million non-marketing contacts. You can send 1,000 emails per month, which means you can have 1,000 contacts that are marketing contacts. Can't have above 1,000 contacts, but you go for any other version, you can have more than that. Second thing is the number of lists. So if you see the lists, a very important thing, this is also known as segments. You can have at least 10 active lists and 1,000 static lists. The lists are used to segment your customers or the clients, or to send them email, or to do any kind of communication. And active lists and static lists are different. Active lists are more dynamic in nature when you are wanting to create a segment which automatically fills itself based on certain criteria. Yes, you have 10, which again is very powerful to have when you're just starting your business. And this is the contact area where you can upload up to 1 million contacts. And once you upload them, you can convert them into marketing or non-marketing. As you can see, you do have chatbot available in HubSpot. You can also connect Facebook marketing in HubSpot, your Facebook marketing, Facebook Messenger. You can have multiple snippets. Templates, when it comes to templates, is about the templates that you can use to send one-to-one emails to your customers. You can connect your mailbox, Gmail or Outlook email with HubSpot. That is also available in free version. You can connect your Google and Facebook ads in HubSpot, and you can see directly in HubSpot which all customers have converted from Google and which have converted from Facebook ads. You can create emails from HubSpot itself. That is also available in free version. You can also connect MailChimp, as you can see, and you can do many other things when it comes to emailing as well. You can create up to 20 landing pages, 25 website pages, blog pages. You cannot connect social media account. So here you see social media account is basically used to connect and send scheduled posts, the daily posts that you would want to have. You cannot connect SEO, you cannot have SEO. So HubSpot is connected with SEMrush, and it actually gives you very detailed information about how to create pages, what are the kind of keywords to use, how to create the pillar pages. It gives you the capability to create the pillar pages and then use pillar pages for SEO options. And then you have design tools. You have forms. Forms again are very important, and would like to mention here that you can connect your website as well with HubSpot, and your form will be automatically integrated. So basically, it looks for the HTML form tag and then connects that form with your HubSpot CRM as a non-HubSpot form. However, you can also create a new form, and you can of course use that form in your landing pages and many other places. It's just that the form for the free version will have the HubSpot logo. In sales, you can have prospecting, not much used by the clients these days because it's a very new feature. Deals is very important to understand. Deals is where we are actually getting all the deals, all the pipeline. You do get one deal creation, and you can edit the pipeline. So if you want to have multiple ages, so if you see here we have stages like appointment schedule, qualified to buy, presentation schedule. So these are default one, but if you want to add or change it, make any change to it and add multiple other stages. Okay, then you have documents, and you can also connect you can upload documents. Why you need documents? This is where you can upload your brochures, and you will be able to see multiple things. For example, who has opened the brochure and who is how many pages they have viewed, if they have forwarded to someone else, how much time they have spent on their brochures. Those informations are available. and then you can connect your calendar, Google Calendar, and you can schedule a meeting directly from here. Interestingly, you can also connect your Google Meet and Zoom with the free version, and it will help you schedule a meeting and send automatic emails from the HubSpot itself. You can connect your products and you can also create quotes. Right, so these options are available in free HubSpot. Then you can create tickets. So tickets are basically for the customer support. So you can connect your website or maybe a mobile app with HubSpot, and you can get your tickets directly inside HubSpot, and you can get your customer support people to reply to these tickets. So you look at the tickets, how it looks. It has all tickets, my open tickets, unassigned tickets. You can create many other views as well. So as you can see, you have 2 more view creation options which you can use. When it comes to automation, no, you cannot do automations using sequences or workflows. These all comes in HubSpot professional versions of Sales or Marketing Pro. If you get Sales Pro, then you get the sales workflow options. If you get Marketing Pro, you get the marketing workflow options. You do have option for creating dashboards. Dashboard will have multiple options of, like, example, website traffic analysis, as well as sales analysis, service analysis. You can have all those here. Reports, you can create some reports, not much. Let's have a look at the reports. So yeah, you can have 27 reports which are available to you. You can create certain new reports as well. But these are very important, data points that you can have in the free version of HubSpot available. Now, let me also take you to HubSpot App Marketplace first. So if you go to HubSpot App Marketplace and you want to look at the free versions available, so you can connect to Gmail, you can connect to Google Calendar, WordPress, Zapier, Facebook ads, Google ads, LinkedIn, Slack, Zoom. So we have already been using these connections for many other projects. However, you cannot connect Google Search Console because, of course, it is available in HubSpot Marketing Pro version. In addition to that, you can also have Template Marketplace open for you. You can go to HubSpot Templates and you can maybe select for themes and modules. You can go to the free version. Let me just scroll down. We have free versions. This can be downloaded, can be previewed and connected with your existing HubSpot account. And then when you go to HubSpot, when you create your website pages, then you will be able to having the option to choose the theme that you have downloaded from the free version. Right now, let's move to the settings. You can integrate you can integrate the Zoom or other third-party integrations. You also have API options for free. I do use API to connect with other tools as well. And then you have, most importantly, you have the properties. Right now, of course, if you know CRM, you might be knowing that you would need properties to be created. So yes, you have the option of property creation here as well, which really is a great thing to have, at least on cloud. Otherwise, it becomes very difficult when you are trying to host something on your own servers or on-premise. But all this comes for free when it comes to using HubSpot free version. Let's look at some of the limitations here. So you can have only 20 landing pages, 25 website pages, 5 documents that we saw, for example, PDF uploads, 5 canned snippet use, so for canned responses for sales people, and of course 5 templates that you can use for email, which is good enough when you are starting. Just remember that the email templates or landing page or even the forms will have HubSpot free logo, right? But it's really a powerful tool to have. One of the projects I would like to discuss with you is that where client is using free HubSpot version. When they started, they connected Mautic. Mautic is a open source marketing automation tool. They connected so I basically helped them to connect Mautic with HubSpot, and Mautic is very powerful marketing automation tool. So Mautic played the part of marketing automation, and HubSpot played the part of sales automation. Right. So since we also have the sales tasks here available, so your sales team were able to use HubSpot as sales options here. So yeah, this is what this is all about when it comes to the free version. As you can see, it's very powerful. So you just saw HubSpot free CRM can really be a very powerful tool. It can get you started with the CRM. It can get you started with marketing automation, sales automation, and service automation. So yes, don't forget to go for the free CRM once you are going for HubSpot to check all the features, and then you can upgrade from there. Hope to see you in my next video.